Hi everyone, this is Ruth M. Haynes, your Philadelphia real estate expert. And today I wanted to talk about houses for rent in Philadelphia. Okay. People don't realize that if they pay just a little bit more, they can get a full house instead of an apartment. And there's a lot of things that you need to think about when you're getting moving like that. Houses for rent. Number one, if you're going to rent a house, please make sure that you don't first qualify for a first time home buyers program. Like, try to get pre-approved because you don't know if your credit is good enough. You only need a 580 these days and you can qualify, and you don't need that much in down payment if you have seller's assist, if you have different things in place, so you won't need as much money as you would in different times. So what you need to do is get a real estate agent. You can get, not many do it, but if you do, contact me. Yeah. um, just click the link below if you want more information about that. Get a real estate agent because they have access to way more properties than you do. They have something on the MLS. It's called multiple listing system. They have access to all the houses in this city and that are for rent. And you will have to drive through each, you know, place, and you don't know what it's like on the inside. You don't know anything, and you get all that information if you work with an agent. So I would highly recommend that you work with an agent because you get access to the properties. It's a lot easier of a process, and you can see a lot more properties at the same time. They do the legwork for you, so it just, like, you can go and do your job. You can go and work and make more money because you have somebody out there scouring, looking for you for a house for you to rent. And then you don't pay the for them finding a property. The landlord pays. The landlord sets aside money so that they can be able to pay the agent. So I mean, it's free. Why not do it? So click the link below if you want more information. If you want to join our newsletter, if you want to join our list and get more tips like this and more. So the more you know, the better decisions that you can make. This is Ruth M. Haynes, your Philadelphia real estate expert. I'll see you on the next video. Go ahead and click that link now. Bye. Thank you.